Hey guys, welcome back to channel Techno Spark. Yes, I'm recording this video for the second time. First time when I recorded, the microphone was off. So I still try to keep my excitement. Sorry guys. Yes. So, if you remember, I made a video 1 year ago on Word and PowerPoint. What I found, I clicked it today. Who need 95% of you guys know how to use Word and Excel. Word and PowerPoint. But Excel is a bit unique. Excel is mostly used in enterprises and creating a stock markets and all that. And ordinary people might not know what is Microsoft Excel. Well, in today's video, I am going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first thing I'm going to show you is how to get Microsoft Excel. Now I'm going to leave one link in the description. You could just go for that. Just let me go to the link. This is my clipboard, just nothing. Yep, there you go. So I'm going to do is Control V and enter. So as you could see, what this is you have to first sign in. And you could install Office by clicking it or just simply buy it. But if you don't want to do that, what you could do is simply use the web version. This is easy. Yeah, click it. You could sign in OneDrive. You need to do this, by the way. But there are some premium templates which you need to pay for. These are available in the desktop app if you purchased it. And if you have a school subscription, your teacher will provide you with the account and all that. And once you do it, what you will find is a setup folder is like this. It might be school, and then you won't find Pro Plus. I have installed Pro Plus, that's why. So you will find this. What you need to do is run this as administrator, click on yes, and it'll be fine. Just install it, would take a couple of hours. But when you are done with that, launch it. So what you could do is simply click on search and type in Excel. I have pinned it on the taskbar. Yes. So let's look at the home screen. You could see it will show you good morning, and now it's 11:50 AM. That's why probably it would show you according to the time zone and time. Next is templates. Now templates, this is in a new tab. So I'm not going to show you here, but let's see this. Recent tab. Now recent means the Excel sheets which you have opened recently. I have opened this 3 minutes ago because I recorded the last video which didn't get. Yeah, we are not going to talk about that. Yes. So there is a little pin button here. So when you pin this, it would go in the pinned list. Pinned list is easy. If you don't want to see others and simply working it on again and again, you could pin it. And if you don't want it anymore, just click on this unpin button and it would be unpinned here again. Yes, so enough of the home tab, let's go to new tab. As you could see, here are a few templates. As you could see, seasonal photo calendar. You need to download this first. Create. It will download it. It's just, as you could see, you might even see that it's just 1 MB, hardly 1 MB. Yes, so here are some templates. If you could also search for how you want. You could go for charts, budgets, trackers and planners, personal businesses, and you could get it. If you want even more descriptive, you could search in the search for online templates. Next is open tab. You could open your worksheets if they are not coming on the home tab. Just click on browse and it would open the file explorer. And let's open this sheet. Yes, you might find this because sometimes the Office isn't genuine. Mine is genuine, but I'm finding this because I edited this sheet on another laptop, and this is probably of protected view. So what you could do is click on this button, which says edit now. This is just virus free. I'm going to cross it out because it is letting me edit it. I don't know. Yes. So as you could see, I'm going to teach you what is cell and the naming system of the cells, formatting, Excel calculator and the exam. So let's start with the first topic. first is, if you have opened Excel, you might find these little rectangular box. These are called as cells. Yes, they have a naming system. Like, what is their name? If you have played chess before, you might know this. It's probably similar. This rank and file is row and column. But in chess, you only have from A1 to H8. Like, this is this much only it has. But this is more, like this is since it's super big sheet, if you just go on going this, it would go very big. Yes, so yeah, but the naming system is quite similar. It is column name followed by row name. So if I select this is M, which is the column, phi, which is the row. So M phi, you could also see it here. And if you want to jump to one cell, you could enter the name. For example, I want to go to this cell. I'll go for H2, and it will jump me there. Yes, the next is if you want to insert a cell. Yes, if you want to insert a cell, what you could do is right click on insert, or just go to insert, and as you could see, the cell will be inserted. Insert cell and entire row. Yes, this is probably creating a row, not a cell. Yes, so when you just go on insert button, it would insert it. Yes. The next is, if you want to delete the text in the cell, you have three options. So for example, I'll type a name of an Avenger, my favorite, Hulk. Yes. And I want to delete this now. There are three options. Yeah, like the first one is pretty obvious and most people will use it, including me. But you could just simply click on delete and it would be deleted. But if you want to go for lengthy methods, there is a lengthy method. First is just simply clicking spacebar. This also does same, just like space means no character. We are inserting a character called space, and space means nothing. But if you want to use your mouse and don't like keyboard, unlike me, what you could do is just click on the go over home tab. Like basically it's always there. Go to home tab, go to cells and delete, and it will probably delete that cell. Pretty easy. Next is inserting a row or a column. So I'm just going to show you. This is J25. This is K25. I want to insert a column between these. So I'll go on K25. If you want to insert between these both, you have to go to this. If you want to insert between I and J, go on this. I'm going to right click, insert an entire row. Next, you could also go from here, entire row. Both are basically same things. Insert sheet rows, or it inserted a row. I want column, so insert column. As you could see, column is inserted. You could also insert rows, basically the same thing. Here's a screenshot. I'm going to link this sheet down below, so it would be easy for you. This is probably the commentary which I'm doing. Yes. So I'm going to delete this using delete. So you could also select multiple. For example, I'm typing something here and I want to delete this. So you couldn't delete like delete and delete. You could, but it will be lengthy. Now at this time, the delete command comes in handy. What you could do is just simply select this, click on delete and delete. So yeah, it is some kind of useful, but only if you want to delete multiple cells. Now first chapter is complete. Let's go to the next chapter. Formatting numbers. Yes, so as you could see, I have written a few numbers, but they are not clearly formatted. For example, annual revenue of the month. Now this is not real, this is just random numbers. Now as you could see, this is only a number and revenue is always in a currency. Now if you really want dollars is on a keyboard, shift plus 4, it would insert a dollar. But if you want any other currency, you could click this right. If you click this, it will insert a dollar. So click on drop down. You could also see euros and English United Kingdom or Chinese yen. But if you want Indian, click on more accounting options. Go towards the symbol. click on the drop down arrow and scroll until you find India. Yes, so Spanish, Korean, English, French, Russian. Yes, so this is not alphabetically arranged. As you could see, you have rupees. Just going to scroll a bit till Marathi. Yes. And click on OK. As you could see, it is now inserted. If you don't want decimal, click on this decrease decimal. If you want to increase, click on this. Yes. Next is total population. As you could see, this is a number, but it's basically a little bit hard to read because of the commas. There are two styles of commas. First thing is, according to US, 1 lakh is 100,000. So after 3 digits, there is a comma. For example, for writing 1 lakh, they write it as 100,000 or 100k. So they put a comma after 100 and then 000. But what we do is we do 1, then comma, then 00, then comma, and then 000. Yes, so methods are different, but the number is same. Yes, this would go according to the US or India. Yeah. According to India, I think so. No, this is US. Yeah, this is according to US. What is, as you could see, there is a comma after 3 numbers. And again, if you don't want decimals, just get rid of them. Just clicking this button. Next is a fraction or a percentage. Now, percentage is also doable by clicking Shift plus 5. But if you want to go for 1/4, like how to write 1/4, so what you could do is select the cell, click on the general drop down, and click on fraction. Now this identifies what you have written. So if I write probably for example 25.75, it would recognize it. So you could see 25 3 upon 4. It recognizes it. If you keep it fraction, it will probably do it. Yes, so if it's a natural number, it won't do, but if you insert a decimal point, it will do. For example, 25.25. Yes, go for fraction here, and as you could see 25.25 1 upon 4. So you could use this fraction from here. Next is wrap text. Now this is probably one cell. Yeah, it's a bit confusing that we have used still from A to M, but this is one cell. Yes, if it wasn't, you would have these lines in between. So what you could do probably, yes, so this is one cell, but the thing is, it is extended. If you wanted to properly adjust in only this cell or this column probably, what you could do is click on wrap text. As you could see, it will probably wrap it inside only A. It won't go from A to M if you really want it, but this looks clear and clean. Let's move on. Next is chapter 3, Excel calculator. If you are doing a maths homework, typing any random numbers, and if you want to calculate them, what will you do? Asking you practical question. What will you do? Open your mobile, mom's mobile, type in calculator, or simply start R and calc. But this is a lengthy method, don't you think so? Better do it in Excel itself. Excel has a built-in calculator. For example, I want to multiply 325 times 4. I will type the formula. To type the formula, X is equal to, click on this D, which is probably C10. You could also type it, but this is better. Then asterisk for multiply, and this, and enter. As you could see, 1300. I will just start calculator to cross check. 25 times 4 and enter. As you could see, it's probably correct. You could also go for another. So if you want to edit the formula, what you could do is simply double click it to see the formula, or this is the formula bar. You could change it here. So I want to add. So I'll get rid of this and plus and then enter. Now it is 320. Yes. So if I want to multiply several questions, what I could do, I couldn't just type everywhere like is equal to this times this. What you could do is simply copy the formula. So go here, click on Ctrl C to copy, and it will not copy the number, but this formula will be copied. Yes. And I'm going to go here. what's happening here. Now even if it sees like this is a number which is copied, it is not. In clipboard, if you have start V enabled, you could access the clipboard. Yes, so it will show you 1300, but it is not. The formula is copied. So I'll go here and paste it. And as you could see, this was now multiplied because we copied the formula. Yes, so this is the Excel calculator. The next is I'm going to take a bit little exam for you. As we have learned something, exam will be there. Now this is a restaurant bill. What you want to do? This is in dollars. That's why this might seem a bit cheap. Yes, if you see this in rupees, this is probably cheap. But if in dollars, dollar people might do it. But as you have to insert this format in dollars, as you could see, it is not probably formatted. You could insert dollar format as I taught you. You could check back the video if you didn't understand it. And grand total using Excel calculator as I shown you just now. Yes, you have to do this and mail me. I'll give my mail down in the description. Yes. So hope you guys like this video and learn something from it. If you did so, feel free to like, share and subscribe. And one thing I'm going to tell you is we are just like 1 subscriber away from hitting quarter century. Yes, quarter to a century. You have 24 current subscribers. Yes guys, we could hit 25 in 1 year. And also 1 year anniversary is coming. Our channel was started on February 7th of 2021. Today is 26th January of 2022. So I might upload a video seeing all my old videos. I'll just plan a video on February 7th. I might also stream it, I don't know. Yes, so yeah, thank you for your support and meet you in the next video.